Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to keep with the Halloween theme from the last video, and I'm going to make some chunky ghosts. I found these on Pinterest. Here's a link right here, and they look quite easy to make. It's just a few bits of wood and them together, and so I drew up a quick template to use, and then I thought, oh, we could do these in different sizes, and then I thought, oh, maybe we should do a bigger one. So shall we just get started? Here's my pile of offcuts from past projects, and I've got some sort of chunkier wood here, which I think would be perfect for this. And for the bigger one, I think I will use some of these beams from a pallet I took apart recently. So 2 of them should be enough for that. So I'm going to cut these up and glue them together in a few different sizes. Just going to be using the circular saw for this, just some quick cuts. Now I just forgot to push the record button, which is annoying, but I've cut some to about this length and some to this length, which will do these 2 sizes. I'm not going to bother with the really small one. I've just thrown it on there as an idea of sizing because I wasn't too sure before going into this. So now I'm going to cut this. I'm just using the circular saw and roughly gauging how much I need for this. Like I said, I want to make this slightly bigger, so I think it needs to go to about here. But I suppose what I should do is, instead of doing it like this, I should just cut it in half, even by my tape measure. At 60, so I want to do a cut here, and I want to do a cut here. So now it's time to cut these. All the smaller pieces were run through the thicknesser when they were used in their past project, so sanding these isn't too much of an issue, but these are still quite rough. I'm going to quickly give this a quick sand to hopefully get a cleaner gluing surface. Just do that quickly. I think we'll be happy at that. Then it's just trying to work out where to put the nail holes on this glue up, so when I cut them out, hopefully none of the nail edges will be shown. So we'll glue that one up and get that glued. Now let's move on to the smaller one. Quite a few of these blocks. I'm hoping that 4 of them should give you the size. Slightly. I think that one would be ghost level 1. And I should glue it with that one that way around. It should be missed when I'm cutting. So that's one ghost. So you want to give it a nice coat of glue. Then you don't want to do too much. If you do too much, when you clamp it together, it will just squeeze out. That's the last thing you want, is your glue to squeeze out. These silicone spatulas work great for this sort of glue ups. And the best thing about it is that you don't even need to clean them off afterwards. Let it just dry on its own, and then it just peels off due to the non-stick properties of the silicone. Now we've taken these apart, the next thing to do is to cut out the template. Goes down, but there is a slight rock there. So I am going to hit this with the sander quickly, just to make sure it's easy to do on the bandsaw. And if you have a jigsaw with a long enough blade, you could also use a jigsaw to fill this out. So that's ready to down the bandsaw. Now I've grabbed a bit of sandpaper and I'm just sanding the white finish, so that way it will remove some of the white finish and show the grey from underneath to give it this farmhouse sort of rustic look. Let's see what this is like. This is just a long pen marker. Not quite what I want it. Now these are finished. What do you think? I only set these to turn out really well. You know, these nice chunky sort of ghosts. Went for a nice rustic finish, and you know, with the silver was the grey paint, and then the white sanded off on top of it, which I think came out right. One thing I would change is how I did the faces. I would have probably used some form of stencil, which would have been better when spray painted it on instead of using pens. But the outcome I still enjoy. Obviously, got a nice big chunky one here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you would have done these differently, or how you think the outcome is. And I will see you on the next video. If you enjoyed this video, then I've created a video right here that I think you'll also enjoy. And if you're enjoying these sort of product Etsy build videos that I'm breaking down and showing you how to make them, then there's a playlist for that right here. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.